My name is Ryan Holden, and I'm an equity seller. We live in interesting times. I think when my wife and I were beginning to look for a home and wanting to sell ours, the main concern that we had was how are we going to make this happen with COVID? When we voiced our concerns to the Peraza team, they were very receptive to it, an understanding of what our stance was and kind of the measures that we were hoping that they would take. And it sounds like they already had that in place, which was important to us. Having all of that information in our back pocket really helped us have a sense of comfort. My wife and I used to joke, we weren't quite sure when they slept. We would send them questions through text and emails at seemingly all hours of the day, and we would get responses within minutes. It was truly incredible. If you're looking for a team that is caring, knowledgeable, and experienced, the Peraza team is who you should be working with.